Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a little kind of chat session with you guys, and I'm going to do a little bit of makeup on myself, and it's basically just to say thank you to everyone for 100,000 followers, which I did not expect ever, basically. So I do have a giveaway for you guys today. It's just a small thing to say thank you to everyone. 3 people are going to win a $30 gift voucher for Yes Style, and that will be sent to you in form of a code. And also you'll be winning a pair of my favorite contact lenses from Olens, and they are the Russian Velvet in silver. They are my absolute favorite lenses, and they're the ones I wear in all my videos, so you'll also win a pair of those. Okay, so I thought, how are you going to spend your $30? So I'm going to show you some of my favorite products from Yes Style. And I also wanted to do this in a way, whenever you search K-beauty or Korean beauty, I feel like a lot of people are kind of just taking the piss. They kind of buy the most gimmicky products, and then they're like, oh, this is crazy, or look how crazy this is. Where actually there is so many amazing products to incorporate into your makeup routine, and are amazing quality. I just want to start with what foundation I'm wearing today. This is the Perfect Cover BB Cream by Misha, one of my absolute favorite brands. And I know there are people out there with deeper skin tones that feel like Korean beauty doesn't have anything for them. Misha is one of the brands that does have an amazing color range, and also a brand called Innisfree. They have a great color range. So I'm just going to pop up all the products that I use on the screen, and of course I'll leave links below for you guys as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do some makeup, and I just want to talk to you guys about my YouTube channel and just talk about things really. So all the products are going to come up here. I'll leave every single one in the description box below. I'm going to start using these eyeshadow palettes. These are from Etude House, one of my favorite brands, Korean brands for makeup in general. And these eyeshadow palettes all kind of have a theme to them. So you have the lavender one, which is like this. This one is the cherry blossom, which is super cute. And then we have the peach one, which is like this, like a nice neutral everyday. Can I just say something about these things? Don't underestimate these. Don't throw them away, keep them. They're really good at applying glitter to the lids, like loose glitter. And that way you don't ruin your brushes. But yeah, as I was saying earlier, I didn't really expect 100,000 subscribers ever. My goal for the end of the year, for the end of 2019, was 10,000. Because I think about 2 or 3 months ago, I was on 8,000. And it wasn't really going anywhere, and I wasn't really having a good time doing it. And all I ever really wanted from my YouTube channel was to have some kind of communication with my subscribers, because I've made this channel to educate and help and give advice, and it's something that I really like doing, and I hope you guys can tell that from my videos. So to have 100,000 is insane. I started my YouTube channel like, I think it was 5 years ago, and I was kind of at a loss in makeup. I know it sounds really weird, but there was just some times where I felt like I didn't really want to do makeup anymore. Like it wasn't really for me, because I've been doing it for so long, but I really wasn't interested in like the fashion industry part of it anymore. I wasn't interested in, honestly, I wasn't interested in freelance because I'm way too lazy. There would be times where I would get up and have to be, you know, getting ready to do a job, and I'd be like, I really don't want to do this. Like, I could literally just not show up. But that would just be like super unprofessional. So I started doing my YouTube channel because I thought it's the best way to kind of reach an audience and educate. So like in terms of education and teaching, that's what I wanted to do. And makeup has become a completely different industry from when I started, if that makes sense. The industry when I think of the makeup industry, I think of Fashion Week, and I think of editorial, and I think of runway, and you know, whereas now you think of a makeup industry as YouTube, Instagram, all this other stuff. When I first started doing makeup, I never wore makeup. I only posted a picture of me wearing makeup about 3 years ago, and that was the first time I've ever done it. So when I started doing makeup, it wasn't because I wanted to do makeup on myself and become an influencer, because influencers didn't exist yet. I wanted to do it because I wanted to be this amazing like self-employed freelance makeup artist that would be doing like all these shows and keying shows and you know, all this amazing stuff in the fashion industry. And then I slowly started to do makeup on my own eyes. And let me just tell you something. Doing makeup at this angle and then having to flip it around and do it at this angle is probably one of the most challenging things ever. It is really different to do makeup on somebody else and then trying to do it on yourself. Because if you were doing it on yourself from when you were younger, then of course you're going to know how to do it. But I mean, boys wearing makeup wasn't really a thing back in my time. Like, of course, you would have boys on like counters, on makeup counters who would be wearing makeup, but it wasn't something that was so widely accepted. Boys didn't dominate the beauty industry as much as they do now. So going onto YouTube, I just started to do makeup on models. So I would ask my friends to just be in the videos and I would do their makeup and then I would just do the voiceover. And I think I did my voiceover like this, like applying this color with this brush. And I just wanted it to be really, just really calming videos, really soothing. You can't see those videos now because I kept deleting them. And they never really caught on. Like, I would spend so much time doing them and nothing ever really happened. This is turning into another purple. Look, if you can hear like it's noise, it's my dog chewing, and I don't want to take it away from her because she looks really cute. My videos never made any like progress until I started doing makeup on myself. Then it got a little bit more kind of traction. So then I thought, okay, let me start to be a bit more present on my Instagram and YouTube and just see how that goes. And I think I've mentioned before in one of my videos that I haven't had this many subscribers for a long time. It's only been since November or October that I started to get people actually watching my video. It went from maybe 200 to 300 people watching my video to 13,000 or 30,000, and then some of my videos 300,000, and you know, it's gone up and up and up. And that is really only ever since I did my Bella Thorne reaction video, and that got loads and loads and loads of views, and then people just started subscribing. So people obviously love a good reaction video. I almost wanted to have like this community where we could all speak to each other, we could all talk about makeup. You guys would ask me about makeup, I could help you with your makeup, because we're kind of at this point in makeup, or I like to think we're at this point in makeup where, you know, not everyone believes everything they see online anymore. Makeup doesn't have to be exactly what we see online all the time. And the reason I really wanted to start this channel was to educate on that. But actually, you know, we'll be watching YouTube videos. And I remember when YouTube started and me and my like makeup artist friends would be like, oh, why are people doing this? Like, that's not right, that's not right. And it's been the same ever since, like, you know. So it's really nice to be able to have a voice that's helpful, not condescending, not forceful. Although you see, you know, a certain way of doing makeup that's predominantly online, it isn't the only way, and it isn't, you know, the way you have to do your makeup, and you don't have to feel any less enthusiastic about makeup, or, you know, that you can't do your makeup properly because you're not applying 20 layers of color corrector, or you're not doing a cut crease every day, or you're not contouring your face to a whole different shape. And I literally get messages from people that say things like, I was giving up on makeup because I didn't want to do all these techniques, I didn't fit into how makeup is applied, I'm past it, you know. And it's really not the case. And it's kind of really not a nice message to read, because you shouldn't have to feel that something that makes you happy no longer has a place for you. I can't remember what I was saying because I'm distracted by this glitter. So I'm going to add a tiny bit of colour to my cheeks using a product from Free Concept Eyes called Take a Layer, which is one of my favourite products. And I'm going to take a little bit of this shade up here. It's very matte. I'm actually going to mix it in with a yellow. I'm just going to kind of tie that all in with the rest of my skin. And I'm going to blend using a powder brush. And I like this one in particular because it's domed on top and rounded. So you get a little bit more of a nice, softer blend that way, rather than a flat or cut off harsh blend. And just melt that into the skin. Alright guys, so that is my look created using some of my all-time favourite products from YesStyle. something you can think about when using your $30 voucher. I will leave a link to everything below, but here's how you can enter. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, which I mean, you should be, and then just leave a heart emoji below in the comments. That's literally all you need to do. You can leave it with another comment if you like, but that's all you need to do. Please don't enter more than once in the comments here. For an extra entry, all you have to do is go over to my Instagram, find the picture of me wearing this look, and leave a black heart emoji on the Instagram there. That's for an extra entry. You don't need Instagram to enter this giveaway. It is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're from, you can enter, but I will need to be able to contact you. I will leave all instructions below also. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for an amazing 2019. It's been absolutely incredible. I absolutely love having every single one of you here on my channel, and I look forward to getting to know you all better in 2020 and more of you in 2020 as well. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Thank you for all the love, and I will see you very soon. Bye.